In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do time blocking in Coda.io. We'll go through the process step by step, turning what might seem like an intimidating task into something you can handle with confidence and ease. Time blocking is an effective method to manage your schedule and boost productivity, and Coda.io offers some fantastic tools to make it a breeze. To begin our time blocking adventure, let's start with a blank Coda document. If you're not starting from scratch, you might choose to use one of the many templates that Coda provides, which can save you time and give you a solid foundation. These templates are especially helpful if you're new to Coda, offering preset configurations that you can adjust to suit your needs. Now, let's create a table to serve as the backbone of our time blocking strategy. This table will organize our time blocks and make our management process seamless. We'll begin by adding a few key columns. First, you'll need a column for the task or block name, which is your primary identifier. Next, create a column for the category using a select list. This lets you conveniently group similar tasks together. You'll also want to set up start and end date time columns, which will define the parameters of each time block. Adding a duration column is essential as well. To make it functional, use a simple formula. Subtract the start time from the end time. This gives you a quick overview of how much time each task will consume. You might add a priority column to help you focus on the most pressing tasks. A notes column can capture any additional details or reminders. In addition, consider adding a checkbox for marking tasks as completed or distinguishing between active and planned tasks. This bit of functionality is especially helpful for keeping track and assessing your progress at a glance. With our table set up, it's time to visualize our schedule. Start with a table view and then add a calendar view, enabling you to see your blocks organized by date and time. For those who want a sharper focus on the immediate, a day view can be incredibly useful. It'll show only the blocks scheduled for today, keeping your attention on the tasks at hand. Finally, let's talk about making the process of adding new blocks quick and painless. Creating buttons or forms greatly speeds up this task. For example, you might create a button that, with a single click, adds a new block onto your schedule. Setting default values for fields, like a default category, will also accelerate the setup process. There you have it, a streamlined, effective method for time blocking using Coda.io. By setting up a table, adding useful views, and streamlining the data entry with buttons and defaults, you can take control of your time and maximize your productivity. Give these steps a try, and watch as your scheduling transforms into a well-oiled machine. Thank you for joining me today.